In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten MIDI notes in Soundtrap using the piano roll. This is a quick, reliable way to tighten up your performance, clean up sustained notes, and give your rhythm the precision it needs. First, head over to Soundtrap in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your projects. You'll see a list of your sessions. Select the one you want to work on, then click on Studio to open the main editor. Give it a moment to load. You'll see your tracks lined up on the timeline. Locate your piano track in the project. To open the piano roll, double-click the piano track region where the notes are. This brings up the MIDI editor, where every note is displayed as a horizontal block. Longer blocks mean longer sustain, shorter blocks mean shorter notes, and the vertical position represents pitch. Now it's time to choose which notes you want to shorten. Click and drag across the notes to create a selection box. The selected notes will highlight, making it clear what's about to be edited. If you want to work on everything in that region, use Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac to select all notes at once. This is especially helpful if you want a consistent staccato feel across the part. With your note selected, move your cursor to the right edge of any selected note. When the cursor changes to a resize handle, click and drag the edge inward to shorten the duration. If multiple notes are selected, they'll trim together, keeping their timing but reducing how long they ring out. This is great for cleaning up overlapping chords or tightening dense passages so they don't blur. As you trim, keep an eye on the grid. The piano roll typically snaps to the grid, helping you keep note lengths musical and consistent. Shortening notes reduces sustain, which can make fast passages clearer and rhythm sections punchier. If you're going for a tight, percussive vibe, bring the ends in a bit more. If you want just a subtle cleanup, trim slightly so notes don't bump into the next beat. When you're satisfied with the edit, you'll notice the part sits better in the mix, with less unwanted overlap and more clarity between chords and melodies. That's all there is to it. Open your project, enter the studio, double-click your piano track to open the piano roll, select the notes you want, and drag the right edge inward to shorten their duration. Simple, precise, and effective.